Hey guys, so our chair is here. These are the instructions. Oh wow! So it's actually come with Hi loves, welcome and welcome back. So unfortunately I just saw this video on my editing app. I've actually made this video since last year 2023. So anyways, this is how to order, searching, typing, pictures, everything is in this one click. So first thing I searched was makeup chair and it was not bringing what I wanted. Then I searched for collapsible chairs, which it looks like makeup chair, like makeup artist chair, but it's not, judging by the price, 16 RMB. And as at when I searched, as at last year, it was around 120 or lesser. So imagine 16 RMB. So I knew for definitely that that was not what I was looking for. I searched for affordable chair as well, which of course it wasn't what I was looking for. So I had to go to Google to take picture. Now I made sure to look at the prices. I was seeing 70 something thousand 200. So I had to go for the 200,000 plus one, because personally something that I want to use to work to for like a long run, right? Then you definitely want to invest with your money. I'm not saying you have to buy the most expensive one, but for a makeup chair that lots of different sizes of ladies or women will be sitting on, then you definitely want something that is sturdy, something that is durable, if that makes sense. So I've actually purchased this one that has a table, but it was small. The height was small, which personally I like. The height of my makeup chair is a little bit taller, so that this way the person I'm working on would be taller, if that makes sense. Then I can see what I'm doing clearly, rather than raising the person's head up, right? So this thing that I'm doing here, you can use it for anything that you want to order for. It's just that it is makeup chair I wanted to order for, so I figured why not just make the video once and for all, because a lot of people came to my DM the last time I ordered for, what was it that we ordered for last year? I can't really remember. So I figured, okay, let me just do this right now. After then, when you see what you want and you already copied the link, then you want to save it in your notepad, right? Then you can place order here. If you have an agent, then you can send it to your agent, and make sure to copy the number that you want, the color, whatever necessary things that you want. Then you send it to your agent. Now, to be on a safer side, you want to scroll down. If you're using the app, then all these things will show there. When you scroll down, then you see the full details of what you're ordering. Now there's the one that has a neck placement, and there's the one that does not have, which the one that does not have is so cheaper. I ordered for the one that does not have the neck thing. Then after a few weeks it arrived. Hey guys, so our chair is here. That is this right here, and I hope you guys can see it. So now I'll do the unboxing. Like I said,
in the video, of course, that you will see before this particular video, how to order it, how to source for it, using link, using picture, using typing. Everything will be in the video, in this particular video, right? Also, guys, it's morning, right? So excuse me for looking this way. And all right, guys, quick introduction for people that does not know this face. For people that don't know me, Aposteni, and I am the founder of Aposteni Protection Trainings and Pre-Order Groups. So all I do is I pre-order groups. I have two different groups. I have the one of 5,000 now, which is a WhatsApp group, and that is for basic China groups, from phone pouches to something like this. This is a shorter remote that I use in filming, to tripods, to chairs like this, to shoes, bags, clothes, wigs, hair, attachments, everything, everything you can think of, anything you can think of, basically, right? So, and also you get to send picture to me if you want us to order something, or rather, if you want to order something and you want just one. Of course, MOQ is either 2 or 3 or 10 or 100, if that makes sense. So in this group, if you want to order, for example, you want to order for this shorter, then the MOQ is 10 pieces. You can definitely order for one, while other people in the group can order for, whatever amount they want. Also, the other group that I have, which makes it the second group that I have, that one is currently 15,000 naira, and it is a Telegram group. The both groups are for life. As far as using that your CEO, that name and your number, which makes sense. It's 15,000 naira, and it's a Telegram group, and it's strictly luxury goods only. Strictly luxury. For example, Balenciaga, Gucci, Versace, Fendi, Christian Dior, Red Bottom, right? So, anyways, all of those groups comes with the carton, the full carton. The main carton. If you're watching my video before, if not, go back, scroll down to my videos, my makeup videos especially, and some of my unboxing videos. You'll see some at my background, which is my closet. Currently, I'm in the dining area, but anyways, all of those things, everything that comes with the luxury groups, from the carton to the receipts or invoice to the everything, even dust bag comes with it exactly as the turkey or original comes. That is how you're getting it for lesser amounts. And for our channel goods, it starts from 400 naira and above. We have some classes of 400 naira. So scroll down to my channel, and you will see some of the things out there for 400 naira glasses that I sold for 4-5 here in Nigeria. And it was telling for a reason. Anyways, I'll try my best to leave the link to this video. If I can't, or if you can't find it, just please, guys, kindly click on my channel, then scroll down. I'm sure you will see it. The picture is even there boldly written on the thumbnail. Anyways, guys, if you're watching to this part, please, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Of course, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And at the same time, let me know what you want me to do, right, in the commenting section. So apparently I have to use screwdrivers. So thank God I have screwdrivers at home, and this is a full set. I don't know which one I'm using, but I think I'll have to put this off camera. Then I'll be back because according to the things, those are the instructions. Oh wow. So it's actually come with the screwdriver. This is nice. Can you imagine? This actually comes with the full set. Oh my god. Look at, guys. I'm sure most of you know this thing for cars. The big one for car. They've used it for my tire before, so I know it. And this as well. So this actually came in the labor worker and manual and whatever sheet. Oh wow. Now we just have to figure how to use it, and of course how to do. Maybe I'll wait for my husband to come, because I don't know, okay, I might try my best to, you know, read it and how to fix it and all of those things. But if I'm correct, he said please check the number of parts, so that means the rules, you know, numbers on it. If not, of course they helped with the pictures, but I can't find this one. Is not there, or maybe it's somewhere that I still have to check for. But of course these ones are there, these two are there, but this one is not here because this is not what I ordered for. And what else? Well, we can work with the with the pictures, can work with it. So DIY installation guide, and take out the chair frame and use M6. I don't know if this is the M6 they are saying, or maybe I'll use my own, but thank God we have it. So anyways, I think I'll just do this off camera because this video is already too long. Or maybe I'll do another video separately on how to install this. I might even have to check YouTube for this, because trust me, this thing is giving me a dick already. This is why. Alright guys. Check out my diamonds. Guys, I'm not seeing your congratulations message. I'm not seeing it yet.